Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, wheel covers, remote trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.